Hey friends! Smooth steering and pump longevity are vital for your vehicle, so today we explore the best power steering fluids. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car power steering fluid in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Zato Car Power Steering Fluid. This advanced hydraulic treatment acts as a revitalizing agent designed to rebuild worn metal surfaces within your steering system through innovative molecular technology. It is highly effective at silencing the annoying pump howl and erratic vibrations that often plague aging vehicles, resulting in a much more serene and comfortable driving experience. The formula works by applying a ceramic metal coating to critical components, which effectively extends the service life of your entire hydraulic unit while preventing the need for expensive mechanical replacements. You will likely notice a significant improvement in steering precision and a reduction in physical effort within just a few days of regular driving. Additionally, it provides a crucial safety layer by protecting internal parts even during instances of low fluid levels. This precise additive is a smart investment for anyone looking to restore their steering to its original factory smoothness without visiting a repair shop. Next up, our second product, the Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. Specifically engineered for vehicles that have developed minor drips or weeping gaskets, this specialized MaxLife formula features an integrated stop leak technology. It contains premium seal conditioners that target aged, brittle rubber, restoring their original flexibility to halt current leaks and proactively prevent new ones from forming. By rejuvenating these internal seals, the fluid ensures your system maintains consistent pressure for a much more responsive and stable steering feel on the road. The chemical composition is heavily reinforced with anti-foaming agents and oxidation inhibitors to prevent fluid breakdown during high heat operation or aggressive driving maneuvers. It meets the rigorous specifications for major manufacturers like Ford, Chrysler, and General Motors, offering a versatile solution for a wide range of domestic vehicles. This fluid is the perfect choice for high-mileage drivers who want to keep their driveway clean and their steering gear functioning efficiently for years to come. Coming in at number 3, the Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. As a cornerstone of professional automotive maintenance, this American-made fluid is designed to meet the high standards required for both modern cars and heavy-duty trucks. It focuses on delivering a consistent level of protection that safeguards your steering pump against the daily stresses of city commuting and long-distance hauling. By providing a stable lubricating film, it minimizes metal-on-metal contact, which drastically reduces the internal wear and tear that leads to premature system failure. Regular maintenance with this high-quality fluid ensures that your steering remains predictable and light, helping you avoid the common issues of stiffness or sluggish response. It is a highly trusted product among mechanics due to its reliable chemical stability and its ability to prevent the formation of sludge and deposits. Choosing this fluid means you are prioritizing long-term vehicle health with a product backed by decades of laboratory research and proven real-world results across millions of miles. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. This standard performance fluid is a reliable workhorse intended for routine system flushes and preventative care to keep your steering components in peak condition. It excels at reducing friction across all moving parts within the steering rack, which effectively lowers operating temperatures and improves overall hydraulic efficiency. By utilizing this high-grade lubricant, you are ensuring that your steering pump operates quietly and smoothly while being protected from the corrosive effects of moisture and contaminants. It is a dependable choice for those who follow strict maintenance schedules and want to maintain the responsive handling they expect from their vehicle. The fluid's robust formulation helps to prevent the aeration and foaming that can often lead to a spongy steering feel or erratic pump performance during cold starts. It provides a cost-effective yet high-quality way to ensure your steering remains dependable, light, and free from the friction-related damage that shortens component life. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Lubigard Car Power Steering Fluid. This premium fully synthetic formula is the gold standard for owners of modern vehicles that require a more sophisticated and thermally stable lubricating solution. It is explicitly tailored for the demanding requirements of all Honda and Acura models produced after 2007, ensuring complete compatibility with their sensitive internal seals and valves. Additionally, it serves as a high-temperature alternative for newer Ford Super Duty trucks, providing exceptional anti-wear protection that far exceeds standard mineral-based fluids. The synthetic base oil remains incredibly consistent across extreme temperature ranges, meaning your steering will feel just as smooth in the freezing winter as it does in the scorching summer. Because it contains no harmful seal swellers, it maintains the structural integrity of your system's gaskets while drastically reducing internal friction and noise. This is the top choice for enthusiasts and luxury vehicle owners who demand the highest level of technical performance and component protection for their sophisticated hydraulic steering systems. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.